So class, today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is irrigation, which come under the heading of different agricultural practices. So class, as you can see in the picture, the definition of irrigation is like the supply of water to the crops at different intervals is called irrigation. So class, as we all know that all living beings need water to live. Water is important for proper growth and development of flowers, fruits and seeds of plants. Water is absorbed by the plant roots. Along with water, minerals and fertilizers are also absorbed. Plants contain nearly 90% water. Water is essential because germination of seed does not take place under dry conditions. Nutrients dissolved in water get transported to each part of the plant. Water also protects the crop from both frost and hot air currents. To maintain the moisture of the soil for healthy crop growths, fields have to be watered regularly. The time and frequency of irrigation varies from crop to crop, soil to soil, and season to season. In summer, the frequency of watering is higher, whereas in winter, the frequency of watering is lower. So class, our next topic is the main sources of irrigation. That means from where we get water for the crops. So the sources of irrigations are well, tube well, ponds, lakes, rivers, dams and canals. Now moving to the next topic class, that is traditional methods of irrigation. Here the water available in wells, lakes and canals is lifted up by different methods in different regions for taking it to the field. Cattle or human labor is used in these methods. So these methods are more cheaper but less efficient. So as you can see in the picture class, there are four main traditional methods of irrigation. The first one is called moat, which is a pulley system. The second one is called as chain pump, and the third one is known as dhekli, and the fourth one is known as rahat. Generally, pumps are commonly used for lifting water. Diesel, biogas, electricity, and solar energy is used to run these pumps. So class, as you can see in the first picture, that is moat, where a simple pulley system is used by humans to draw water from the well and then giving it to the crop. In the second one that you can see in the chain pump, where is a chain is attached to a motor pump, and then that wheel circulates, and along with the wheel there is a bucket attached which brings the water from the well. In the figure C, you can see class that there is dhekli, and dhekli is as same as the moat only. It's just they are using a wooden log as a seesaw to pull the water up. And then in the figure D, you can see there is Rahat. Rahat is a mechanical system which is being powered by a circulation movement of bull. When the bull moves in this circular motion, this mechanical setup draws water from the well and give it to the crop. I hope all of you have understood all the topics class. That's all for today's class. Thank you class.